What if I told you that you could add 3 years to your life without stepping foot in a gym? No expensive equipment, no complicated routines. A groundbreaking 25-year study just revealed something fascinating about body weight training, and it's changing everything we thought we knew about longevity. The study followed 8,577 people for 25 years. They looked at different sports and how they affected life expectancy before starting. Participant completed a self-rated health survey. Interestingly, how you respond can actually predict your lifespan. The researchers then used specialized methods to compare the life expectancy of those who played sports with those who were sedentary, didn't exercise much. Here's how calisthenics stacked up against other activities. Tennis to the list, adding 9.7 years to life expectancy. Calisthenics held its own at 3.1 years, outperforming health club activities. Not too bad. Now let's look at some fun facts from this research. It'll give you deeper insights into how exercise affects longevity. These numbers tell an interesting story, but there's something even more important to consider. You see, most people make a critical mistake when starting body weight training. They assume they need expensive equipment or access to specialized facilities. The truth, all you need is the right knowledge and progression system. This is why we developed the Calisthenics Playbook. It's a comprehensive guide that breaks down every movement pattern, every progression, and every technique you need, from basic push-ups to advanced moves like one-arm push-ups and pistol squats, already trusted by thousands of practitioners worldwide. No fluff, no complexity, just results. Now, let's explore some fascinating insights from this research. The sweet spot for exercise is moderation. Research showed that jogging just 1 to 2.4 hours per week leads to better longevity than either minimal activity or excessive workouts. This suggests that you don't need to be an extreme athlete to reap the benefits. The study revealed a clear link between regular physical activity and reduced risk of chronic diseases. Participants who stayed active were less likely to develop heart problems, diabetes, and other health issues that could impact their lifespan. 12% of the 8,577 participants led sedentary lifestyles. These individuals showed significantly higher risks of all-cause mortality, highlighting just how crucial regular movement is for longevity. One of the most intriguing discoveries was how accurately people could predict their own health outcomes when participants rated their health status. These self-assessments strongly correlated with their actual longevity, proving that we often have good intuition about our health. The social aspect of exercise emerged as a powerful factor. Sports like tennis and badminton topped the longevity charts, suggesting that the combination of physical activity and social interaction creates a powerful boost to life expectancy. So calisthenics can add 3.1 years to your life. That's impressive, but it falls short of racket sports like tennis and badminton. Why? The difference? The answer might lie in the social aspect of these activities. Tennis and badminton often involve partners or groups. This social aspect might explain their bigger boost to life expectancy. Think about it. You're on a tennis court with a partner against another pair. You're not just exercising your body, you're exercising your social muscles too. That's the real secret to longevity. It's not just about living longer. It's about living better together. While calisthenics can be done with others, it's often seen as a solo pursuit. Just think of those social media posts showing lone athletes training in dark, rainy parks at midnight. Very cool, but kind of silly. It's a common image, isn't it? Anything done solo can be done in a group with more fun and a nice lot longer side effect. Here's how to unlock it with calisthenics. If you have at least one friend, we really hope you do grab them and sign them up as your workout partner. Preferably you don't hate this person, so we can keep the socializing element while you both help and push each other in the workout. It's like having a spotter, but instead of lifting weights, you're lifting your own body and your partner's spirits. If you hit the jackpot and have more than one friend and they happen to all be interested in fitness and even willing to do calisthenics instead of joining the fancy gym club, nothing says team bonding like collectively grunting through push-ups and wondering why you agreed to this. No workout pals yet? No problem. Time to make some. Join a calisthenics class at your local park. See a group working out. Don't be shy. Go set. High chances are they'll welcome you with open arms. That's just how the calisthenics crowd rolls here. It's a wild idea. If you prefer none above, use social media for good. Connect with other calisthenic fans. Share your progress. Pics. Bond over discovering muscles you never knew existed. It's like show and tell, but with more sweat. There are more ways, but these 4 are enough to start master them first, then explore the rest. Calisthenics isn't just about adding years to your life. It's about making those years count. Let's dive into how this simple workout can level up your daily living. Strength. Build functional muscle using just your body weight. It's strength for real life, like effortlessly carrying groceries or lifting your kids. Flexibility. Improve range of motion and mobility. It's about moving through life with ease, reducing injury risk and maintaining independence. As you age, convenience your body Is your gym? No excuses about closed gyms or waiting. For equipment, your workout is always available. Balance, enhanced coordination, and body control. It's about stability in life, preventing falls, and moving with confidence. Cost-effective. Save on gym fees and invest in yourself. Every dollar saved can go towards healthier food or life experience. Any form of regular exercise can help you live longer. Calisthenics is a convenient, effective option that doesn't require a gym membership or fancy equipment. However, it's important to note that this was an observational study, so we can't say for certain if these activities directly cause increased longevity or if other factors are involved. What we can say is that being active in sports, especially those that are enjoyable and social, seems to be linked to a longer life. So why not give calisthenics a try? Your future self, potentially 3.1 years older, might thank you. And you might have fun along the way before you go to new playbooks. Just dropped one. Shows you how to nail your first muscle up. One shows you the finest calisthenic memes known to mankind. Different paths, same destination, making you stronger. Both available for pre-order now. Here's the thing about pre-orders: price goes up 10% every week. Ordering early equals saving more. Think about what those extra 3.1 years could actually look like. More energy to travel, more strength to play with your kids or grandkids, fewer aches when you wake up in the morning, less fear of losing independence as you age. Longevity without vitality is just existing longer. But calisthenics is about staying capable, resilient, and confident in your body for as long as possible. Another underrated benefit? Consistency. The best workout isn't the most advanced one, it's the one you actually stick to. Because calisthenics removes so many barriers: cost, location, time. It dramatically increases the odds that you'll keep moving year after year. No commute to the gym, no waiting for machines, no excuses when life gets busy. Drop down, do the work, move on with your day, and let's talk about aging for a second. As we get older, muscle loss becomes one of the biggest predictors of poor health outcomes. Strength training isn't optional, it's essential. Calisthenics directly combats this by forcing your body to work as a connected system. Your core, stabilizers, joints, and muscles all adapt together. This is the kind of strength that keeps you upright, balanced, and injury resistant. Well, into later life, there's also a mental side that doesn't get enough credit. Mastering bodyweight skills builds confidence in a very primal way. When you realize you can control your own body, hold your weight, move smoothly, progress from beginner to advanced, it rewires how you see yourself. You're no longer someone who should work out. You're someone who can. And remember that self-rated health survey from the study, the one that predicted longevity surprisingly well? Regular training improves not just objective health markers, but how you feel about your health. That perception matters. Feeling strong, capable, and active changes how you show up in every other area of life. This is exactly why the Calisthenics Playbook focuses so heavily on progressions. You're not just doing random exercises, you're following a clear path. Each small win stacks on the next. First clean push-ups, then harder variations, then movements you once thought were impossible. Momentum builds, motivation stays high, and suddenly training isn't a chore, it's part of who you are. And if you combine that with the social element we talked about earlier, that's where the real magic happens. Accountability, shared struggle, laughs between sets, friendly competition. You're no longer just training for health. You're building routines, relationships, and habits that last decades. So no, calisthenics might not beat tennis on paper when it comes to raw years added. But when you factor in accessibility, consistency, strength preservation, and the potential for social connection, it becomes one of the most realistic long-term strategies for living longer and better. You don't need perfect conditions. You don't need elite genetics. You don't need a gym membership or shiny machines. You just need a body, a plan, and ideally a friend who's willing to suffer through push-ups with you. Start simple, stay consistent, make it social. Let the years add up. And remember, your future self isn't just counting how long you live. They're counting on how well you live. Those new playbooks? They're designed to help you do exactly that. One teaches you a milestone skill that proves what your body is capable of. The other keeps things light, fun, and brutally relatable, because fitness should make you laugh, sometimes too.